Hey everybody, welcome to Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today is Saturday and I am making a quick breakfast before I'll be having my full breakfast. So I'll be also be making dosa here. So welcome to my channel. So what I've done is I had paneer. So I'm making a paneer sandwich at home. This is homemade paneer. Welcome to my channel Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen. So what I've done here is I've taken 200 grams of paneer, cut it into cubes, and I've actually prepared the paneer, sauteed it. I've added salt accordingly, a teaspoon, half to one teaspoon of salt. I've added 1 teaspoon of chana masala, tastes great, and I've added turmeric powder. I've added 1 ladle of refined oil, and I've added tomato sauce. That's about it. And I'm toasting my bread here. This is a wheat bread. So, and I've got homemade coriander chutney. This is a quick breakfast recipe now. So if you're liking it, if you're liking what you're seeing, do subscribe to my channel and do like this video and share it with your family and friends. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be spreading the coriander chutney on top of the bread, on top of the toast. To enhance, you can add ghee onto it and it will really taste great. So paneer sandwich it is for a quick breakfast, and I'll also be making dosa now. So as I told you, I've added a bit of ghee onto the bread, on the bread, and I'm just flipping it over so that the ghee is absorbed by the bread on both the sides. I haven't added too much ghee, but you require ghee, and ghee is a very great thing to add to your diet. Not too much, but in quantities which require to be added. So the bread have been toasted well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off the gas. Now I'm going to be adding the coriander chutney to it. Once I do it, I'll show it to you, and I'll place the paneer inside the bread, and we have our quick coriander and paneer, homemade paneer coriander chutney sandwich. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now and hit that bell icon. Also share this with your family and friends. Yes, and spread the word about my channel. And if you like podcasts, do check out my other podcast channel, which is Task Leaders Podcast. So what I've done is I've spread the coriander chutney or kotamali chutney onto the bread, and now I'm going to add the paneer to the sandwich, and I'm going to cut it and I'm going to show it to you. You can have it with tomato sauce. So what I've done is I've actually added paneer to the sandwich now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into half. I'm going to press it nicely, and I'll tell you, this will taste amazing. This tastes amazing. If you haven't tried it out yet, do try this at home and do give me your feedback as to how you like this. This is a very simple thing. If you have a toaster or if you have a sandwich maker, you can do it on that also. I too have a sandwich maker, but I wanted to show it to you on the tawa. So this is, what can I call it? This is homemade tawa coriander chutney, paneer coriander chutney sandwich. Homemade paneer coriander sandwich, coriander chutney sandwich, or homemade paneer sandwich. As simple as it can be. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and hit that bell icon so that you get notifications for my new videos. Thanks for watching.